M.G. Rajagopal, President of KASIA, Karnataka Small Scale Industries Association.
Thank you, sir. What the event is you are conducting and coming up with?
So we are from KASIA, that is Karnataka Small Scale Industries Association. It is an association started for the welfare of the industries, to make their running of the industry easier and whatever the problems they face to interact with the state and central government to make their problems addressed. That is the main intention of it. Also to develop small scale industries in the state of Karnataka. That was the main intention. It was started during 1949 by one Mr. Aradhya. Now we are completing 75 years of journey in these activities. And that in this week, Saturday, we are having a platinum jubilee celebration to be inaugurated by our Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and also Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar along with the small scale industries Dashnapur and along with some top office industrial officers are also being participating in this program, and it is being held in Jnanajyoti Auditorium in the Central College on this Saturday 17th of this month by 5 p.m. in the evening.
So what are the problems?
To start with, the main is the land and money. For anything, is land and money is the primary requirement to start an industry. See, even though, even after 75 years, most of 94 really in the revenue areas. So that is the government is not to build lands developed by the government. So the infrastructure developed, they have to go to the so many faces, so many problems in the revenue areas. Where that e-Khata system has been introduced, that have been connected with the registration purpose also. The people are putting a lot of problems for the revenue industries having in the revenue areas. Smaller plots. KDB is there, they give the land more than 10,000 only. Small scale cases, ADC is there, that very few plots are being supplied by them. It is not enough for the requirement, requirement for the small scale industries of Karnataka.
So how is the support?
Basically they are interested to develop the small scale industry, but practically, as I said, the supply of land. Supply of land is that these Bangalore surrounding areas, it is huge, it is expensive. It is very, very expensive for the small scale industries. And though it is subsidized for some of the weaker section or the ladies and subsections, but generally it's very expensive for the local industry, especially but for that government is making you go to the facility area. You have to open industry there. But unlike larger industries, small scale industries with the parasitic industries, we depend on the orders for the larger industries. Unless a large industry is come from, most of our industries cannot survive. Indigenously, various defense products have been developed. Even in the recent war also, many of the products have been displayed effectively. But all those things, minor space will be supplying to the major industries which develop these products. And also, as you are aware, that 28% of our contribution is given by the micro and small industries, and 50% of our country's export is done by the micro and small industries, and employment provided in the country after agriculture sector. So this shows the importance of the micro and small industries in a country like India, where the huge human resources are there. It has to be properly utilized for the betterment of our country and the improvement of our economy. So what is their, we find out what is the requirement. Suppose if they want finance, if he is a weaker section, we will advise them to go to the case. If the state government, they are giving them interest rebate of 4%, they are giving the loans for the industries for first time entrepreneurs. But even for ladies also, the remaining interest rate is being subsidized. But huge burden of interest will be solved for the new entrepreneurs and the paying the interest payment. And also the country, certain banks like SIDBI, there also there is various schemes are there, debates of 1%, 2% debates are there. We will advise them to approach such situations. And also public sector banks, they are giving the loans on the CTR, here they are giving the loans to the new entrepreneurs.